Okay, it's boy iSmart communication de jase. Let's see what they have. Hello.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Tell me something about your store. What's so unique about iSmart communication?
So, today iSmart communication de mohan brand new or premium pre-owned mobile phones kan itlog deal kore.
Okay.
Yes.
So, dab ningal no ki stock ase. Can you please show me?
Mohan this time mohan stock bishi bal aina ase.
Okay.
These are all brand new. As you can see, box kan log ado.
All right. All right.
Google Pix.
Itu kila model of phone ase ito.
Itu to Google Pixel ase.
Google Pixel.
Yes, Google Pixel
Pixel
9
ki
Pro
ase?
9 Pro XL ase.
Okay, 9 Pro XL.
So, price to market price apni compare kar sakle de. Bishi sosta de pao, alag jade na pao, iSmart communication ka de pao. So, online pricing to 1 lakh upor de ase, only money to only 70,000 per day ase. Brand new ase, Silpeg ase, 9 Pro XL.
Okay. So, is this like seriously brand new?
Yes, fully Silpeg ase, brand new ase. 9
Okay.
Pro
Our
XL.
price kaman kuchle?
Only at 70,000.
Wow, that's really nice. 70,000 there.
Yes.
Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. That's
So,
very nice. 9 Pro XL at 70,000 rupees. That's very reasonable. Ito to kila model ase sir.
ito iPhone 17 ase.
iPhone 17.
Yes, iPhone
Acha.
17.
Market to mogan itya iPhone 17 to 83,000 rupees per ase. Apnan to kiman price ase?
Mogan ito 80,000 ne ba ase. So,
80,000 rupees.
yes. So, ito do iPhone 17 brand new ase, unused ase. 256 GB brand new, only at 81,000 rupees.
81,000 rupees.
Yes, sir.
iPhone 17 brand new.
Yes, sir.
Non-activated.
Non-activated, brand new.
Wow, that's really nice.
81,000.
Non-activated iPhone 17 only at 81,000 rupees. Krishna.
Yes,
Very nice.
81,000
Very
ne
nice.
paijo. Brand new.
Alright, ito to same
Aro-
ase na nga.
Aro ito no, ito pa aro bal offer do. Wi-Fi activated ase. Brand new iPhone 17 256 same, only at 80,000.
Okay, only Wi-Fi activated.
Yes. Brand new
Price
ase.
80,000 rupees.
80,000 rupees.
Brand new.
Yes.
All
Brand
right.
new, unused ase. Only Wi-Fi activated aro 80,000 ne paijo. Aro bal
Wow.
offer ase to.
That's very nice. Very nice.
Yes,
And then
yes.
how about pre-owned phones? Kan king ase. Second-hand phones kan to.
Second-hand phones te apni model sub model de paijo.
Acha, can you please tell me about this iPhone 15 Plus? This pink color looks very pretty.
Yes, iPhone 15 Plus ase apni to thik saw parje. So this is iPhone 15 Plus 128 GB ase. Clean piece te ase.
Sai
Apni
sabab ko
ase.
mga la viewers kan gibi dikhai dibo kan side edges kan dikhai sabta ekbar
Yes, please.
daki kan iko ase na nai.
Clean piece te ase. Condition.
Yes.
Our color be man bal.
Very much clean.
So 15 plus 128 GB price diwale ase only at 44,000.
Seriously, 44,000 rupees there.
Yes,
iPhone
yes.
15 Plus.
Ito product.
Good as
yes.
brand new condition.
Good as brand new condition.
Iku repairing asan na ito
Iko
kanto.
repair na so original ase apni kan ye dikhai dibo. Our battery be bishi bal ase. Bal thake battery do to 87 battery health ase apni size.
87% battery health. Nothing repair, nothing replaced.
Nothing repair, nothing replace. Aro itu ba aro bal product ase mon lok iPhone 16 Plus ase. So iPhone 16 Plus itu do 100% ase battery genuine ase.
100% battery health.
Yes.
Second hand na brand new ase to.
Itu do second hand ase. So condition bishi bal de ase apni kan bi salu.
To price kiman ase to second hand 100% battery health to 16 Plus.
Itla price whole ase only at 54,000.
54,000 rupees te 100% battery health iPhone 16 Plus.
Yes, yes. Aro apni kan bi
It's very
salu.
nice. Kiman GB ase to by the way?
Itu 128 GB la ase.
Okay, 128 GB iPhone 16 Plus. Price kiman kuchle?
Only at 54,000.
54,000 rupees.
16
Okay, okay.
16
Aro
plus.
aro ki ase Android kan bhi paina na na pai.
Android step paijo sir. Aro apni budget komti la bi
Android price kiman ba starting ase?
Android pricing starting as a 4,500 plus starting as a mon
4,500.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Aro highest to kiman la ase?
So right now mon ite highest do ito ase Android te Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 ase.
Z Fold 6 na.
Yes.
Ito brand new na second na ase?
Ito do brand new ase.
Brand new.
Yes.
Okay. Price to kiman ase ito?
Price all is a 1 lakh.
1 lakh rupees.
Yes.
Kiman GB ase ito?
Ito 1 terabyte la ase.
1 terabyte.
Yes.
1 terabyte Z Fold 6 at 1 lakh rupees.
Yes, yes.
That's really nice, yeah.
Yes.
So ito store la location ekbar koi dibo saman to bhal paase ekbar mogana viewers kan gibe koi dibo koti I go lage to buy all these exciting beautiful products.
Sure. So mon store location do kohima la upper PWD ase near Capital Culture Hall.
Address to Capital Culture Hall also opposite ase na.
Oi, ito do kohima la location ase aur mohan la মেইন ব্ৰাঞ্চ তো ডিমাপুৰতে আছে তো
আপনি
ডিমাপুৰ
kan store দুইটা আছে নাকি
আছে
iSmart
আছে
communication
মহলা মেইন
Okay.
ব্ৰাঞ্চ ইটোৰো মেইন ব্ৰাঞ্চ আছে ডিমাপুৰতে আছে
Wow, that's really nice, yeah.
হয় আৰু ইটলা লোকেশনটো মহন বুমা কেম পাৱাৰ হাউস কলোনী আছে ডিমাপুৰৰ লোকেশনটো
তো price to same থাকিব না আলাগ আলাগ থাকিব
প্ৰাইস সেম থাকিব আপনি তাতে যাবি আপনি এতিয়া আহিবি প্ৰাইসিং সেম থাকিব
very nice, very nice. Okay, thank you so much, thank you so much. It's a very creative shop. Bishi kushi paise. I'll surely recommend to each and everyone that I know. Very exciting. Bishi paise. Stock such iPhone, very premium devices at a very reasonable price. Naka manu parenga korado bishi appreciate korse. Thank you so much there.
You're
Keep
most
up, keep
welcome,
up your
sir.
good work.
Sure, sure. আৰু আপনি কে বেশি থ্যাঙ্কস
Thank you so much.